Samsung is finally listening to the consumer for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. After the launch of Z Fold 4, we started getting information regarding the Z Fold 5, and this time it's about the new upcoming S Pen. As per report from South Korea, Samsung is trying to put a S Pen in the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Although Samsung did try with the Z Fold 4, but due to space limitations we didn't get a chance to see the building S Pen in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Not only that, Samsung is also trying to drop the weight on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is a big challenge since adding the S Pen along with the weight loss would be a big challenge. Not only that, with the Z Fold 5 we might see the slimmer design on the Z Fold 5 and we might see a reduced squeeze on the Z Fold 5. But you will get the same single hedge design just like we have seen on the Z Fold 4 because it gives us a IPX8 rating for the waterproofing. A reputed South Korean publication, The Elect, reports that Samsung has renewed its efforts to bring the S Pen slot to the Z Fold 5. The report also mentions that Samsung wants the Z Fold 5 as light as possible and comfortable to use for long periods by making it thinner. The new smartphone in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a great fusion of style and functionality. It is expected to be sleek and lightweight and available in various colors, and there is also speculation about a better resolution which will improve the display quality. The device is also expected to be more durable and provide a satisfactory experience to tech lovers. Some more features such as a better camera connectivity options and a bigger processor are also rumored. They did improve the camera with the Z Fold 4, but it lacks a key feature in modern flagship, its periscope zoom camera. So improving cameras means including periscope zoom on the Z Fold 5. However, customers are showing high satisfaction levels towards foldable smartphones, and this sector is expected to grow substantially. There are few things that Samsung also noted that need to be rebound for foldable phones to become more popular. Notably, the size and weight of the foldable phones need to go down. They need to become more durable and the crease on the screen needs to be reduced. The company will be trying hard to incorporate a bunch of potentially game-changing technologies and features in the 2023's Galaxy Z Fold 5. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.